Hey, this is Mr. A, and I want to talk to you about significant figures or significant digits. Significant digits and significant figures. We've been talking a lot about this when we make measurements and actually how many digits that we record in our readings. And it's really, really important because as we use that data, we're going to have to probably do some math on that data, and then if we do a division or something like that, and we get these really big long numbers in our calculator, we need to know how many of those digits do we report. How many of those digits in our answer are significant to our calculation. So I really need to kind of back up a little bit and tell us, where did these significant figures come from? And you'll remember that we did lots of measurements with the graduated cylinder and the triple beam balance. You remember that I had you making measurements with the graduated cylinder and the triple beam balance, and how you were able to read these scales, read these graduations, these tick marks, and in order to determine your measurement. But the pointer or the meniscus didn't always land conveniently exactly on a tick mark, so you had to guess a little bit in your reading, right? So you were certain that the measurement was up to this tick mark, but then you were a little uncertain when it fell in between two tick marks, and so you had to guess at that figure. But all of those digits that you recorded, your certain and your uncertain figures, were significant. All right? So I've used a lot of words there, and let me just make sure that you've got this vocabulary down. So you should be taking some notes, and I would say that if you've got your notes set up in Cornell format, let's just make heading number 1 be our vocab. Okay? So let's go through this. And you're probably going to have to stop the video because I'm going to be going through this rather quickly, but you'll hear me say the vocabulary word, you'll hear me say the definition, and then you'll see it printed here on the whiteboard. First of all, significant digits are all the certain and uncertain digits in your measurement. Okay? Your certain digits are the ones that you know for sure, right? And your uncertain digits are the ones that you don't know for certain. Those are the ones that you had to guess at, and it's always the last digit in your measurement. The graduations are like on a ruler or on the graduated cylinder or on your triple beam balance. Those are the tick marks, and you'll have major and minor tick marks. Those are your graduations. And precision means that is how precisely can your instrument measure. And that is defined as 1/2 of the smallest graduation. You may remember, I did this for some classes, but not all classes. I had you measure an index card. And when you measured an index card, say this is your index card here, and this is a ruler here, and this is what you were seeing when you were measuring the length of the index card. And a lot of people reported the length of the index card to be 12.6 centimeters. But some of you reported it to be 12.7 centimeters because, hey, it's almost to there. Well, this is where that uncertainty comes. The length of the card falls somewhere in between 12.6 and 12.7. So it's okay to guess at that last number. In fact, I want you to guess at that last number. It's 12.6, and let's just call it 12.65. Okay, centimeters is that measurement. So let's apply our vocabulary to this particular measurement. Significant digits, those are all the digits. These are all significant. All of these are significant, okay? 12.65. Those are all significant figures. Your significant digits include your certain digits, those are the ones you're certain about. You know that it's more than 12. You know that it's more than 12.6. You're only uncertain about that last digit, right? So that is your uncertain digit right there. Graduations, those are your tick marks here on your rulers. And precision I would write like this. So when you're making a measurement, it is a good idea to state the precision. The precision of your ruler here is, well, let's see. The precision is 1/2 the smallest graduation. So the smallest graduation is 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So this is 12, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5, 12.6. All right, so your smallest graduation is 0.1 centimeter. So your precision is half of that, or 0.05. So this measurement is 12.65 plus or minus 0.05 centimeter. And that's about the most precise way that we can specify the width of an index card. Okay?